guys, it's Duaa and I'm here to teach you about how to do wax at home in a more simple way. So let's get into it. So Demashine Pakistan sent in my way complete of their range, and this range includes the Brazilian wax, the soft wax and the finger wax. And we have soft wax for smooth hairless skin. First we're gonna open the plastic lid. Now you can see the aluminium lid on top of it. Just pull it back. So here it comes with the spatula. Now put the spatula inside the wax jar and you can see the consistency. This consistency, it's almost like the honey-like consistency. So let it dry and pack it like this. Now it's time to sprinkle some talcum powder to dry out the skin. Apply a small quantity of wax on the root of the hair using spatula. Wait for a while and cover the wax with the help of Dermashine strip. Take off the strip from the opposite direction of your hair growth in a one jerk. And you will notice all the hair are taken off and a smooth skin result. Let's talk about the finger wax. This finger wax is for all skin type. This finger wax is mostly used for small areas like the upper lips, forehead, sideburns, chin area. In this you no need of any strips. After drying carefully, apply a small quantity of finger wax with the help of the fingertips on the root of the hair and peel it off the jerk. Let's talk about the Brazilian wax. This wax is also for all skin type, but mostly we can use this wax in underarms and in underlegs. So turn on the wax heater and set the indicator at the highest 120 or 180 degree. Applying a coat of wax in the direction of your hair growth. Allow wax to cool on your skin. Pull wax off to the opposite direction of your hair in a one quick motion. Now at the end we are going to use Dermashine aloe vera gel, soothing and moisturizing, and as well as it hydrates your skin very nicely. So the end results are nice, hair-free, smooth skin. Ta-da! We have the smooth, shiny, silky skin. So Demashine wax are amazing. So do try this out, and I hope this tutorial is very helpful for you all, and you guys can easily understand the difference between finger wax, Brazilian wax and the soft wax. So bye bye.